Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You install Android Studio and the SDK for a reason, to get the toolchain and device images. Once done, open New Project and pick a template that fits your app idea. This generates essential files. Make sure to set the package name and minimum SDK deliberately because they affect device reach and permissions. Choose Kotlin for modern apps. Pick Java only if required. Then let Studio download Gradle and components. This may take a few minutes, so watch the progress bar. You now focus on structure and dependencies. Open app/src/main to edit layout XML or compose files. That's where UI lives. Once you add libraries, sync Gradle so Studio resolves artifacts. Address sync errors immediately, they block builds. Configure the emulator in AVD Manager. Pick a system image, set CPU/ABI and 2 GB RAM or more, then start it. If using a device, enable developer options and USB debugging. You're at the finish line. Press Run and choose your emulator or connected device. Watch Logcat for runtime issues and use breakpoints for debugging. When ready to distribute, use build generate sign bundle or APK, create or supply a key store and keep that key store safe. Losing it locks you out of updates. If anything breaks, start with the Gradle console. Fix dependency versions, then try file invalidate caches and restart. More often than not, a tool's update or cache clear resolves build errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.